Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. So in this video we are back with one more very good question on applications of circle theorem. In this question it is given that PQRS are points on a circle, PXR and QXS are straight lines as you can see in the diagram. PX is equal to SX. So PX and SX are equal. Okay, just look at it carefully. PX is this and SX is this. Okay, so considering those two as equals, I will start first in triangle PXS, where these two angles I am assuming it to be X. So I can say X plus 50 is equal to 180, angle sum property of a triangle, and 2x is equal to 130, x is equal to 65. Now why I have found this? Let me come to the question again. We need to prove that QS is not a diameter of a circle. Now just try to recall a circle theorem in which if QS is a diameter, then this whole angle QPS will become 90 degree. But if it is not a diameter, then indirectly we have to prove that angle QPS is not a 90 degree angle. It can be more or less, we don't care, but it shouldn't be 90. It will be automatically proved that QS is not a diameter. Okay, now as I was saying that angle QPS, one of the component of angle QPS is X, that we have already found. Now the other part for that can be found using a circle theorem, where we'll see this segment. Angle in the segment QR is 27, and in the same segment QR we have this angle also. So I will write angle QSR is equal to angle QPS, and reason I will give angle in the same segment. Okay, and that will be equal to 27. Now indirectly by doing that I have got both the components of that angle. So now if I have to find angle QPS, that will be angle QPR, which I have found above, plus angle SPX. If someone takes SPR, then also it is fine. Okay, it really doesn't matter. So QPS is QPR, which is 27, and SPX, which is 65. Okay, so if you add them, it will be 80, 92. Okay, on adding we got it as 92, and as I had explained earlier that if it comes out to be not 90, then by default QPS is not a semicircle, and if it is not a part of semicircle, then QS is not a diameter. Okay, so that's what we have to write, that since angle QPS is not 90 degree, therefore QPS is not a part of semicircle, hence QS is not a diameter. This is it. Okay, so just go through this question one more time. In such questions you should just understand that how we have to apply circle theorem, because in forward manner or in reverse manner we should know the application properly, and for that you need practice. So I hope that this question is clear to all of you, whoever is watching. If you like these videos, then please share it with your friends, and also if you want video on any other topic, just put it in the comments. We will be glad to make another video on that topic. So see you, bye bye.